Hello everyone, welcome to seeing the empty house and a lot of other stuff. Oh my gosh, there's so many things happening. We have like 17 days until closing and it is gonna be wild. My announcement video is going up. I can't decide. I want to do it like before closing, but we'll see. We'll see what my husband says because we want to wait. We found out today our appraisal came back and we paid less for our house than it was appraised for, which is fabulous. That's fantastic. We're very pleased. But it wasn't like by like a ton or like someone might have an issue with it. It was just a little more, so anyway, makes me happy. We are good on the appraisal, still waiting for underwriting to come back, so hopefully that comes back today. Oh man, it's beautiful out. Anyway, I am looking forward to going out in our own home. I told my husband that we need to create bike paths for the boys. Use them as walking trails. There's so much to see, so much to do, so much to talk about. But let's get started and check things out. I mentioned in the previous video that there will be some remodeling happening in the new house because it's a little dated and it just doesn't quite fit what we need and want from it yet. Like it's perfectly set up for it. We just need to like enact it basically. But there's going to be a lot happening, but basically the plan is between the like 6 weeks before we have to move out of here, so basically before we go on vacation for this summer, we'll need to get everything done. So I want to prepare this yard so that it's good for when we move out, so that all I have to worry about is the inside of the house, because that is what I'm going to be worrying about at the other house, is the inside of the house, and I can only do one canvas at a time, and since I'm going to be splaying across 2 canvases, they need to both be the same type of canvas. So hopefully we can get spring, summer stuff ready for the summer by next week, by the end of the week. There is some summer like toy stuff that normally I'd be like, oh, I don't really want to have it out or whatever. But we're still going to be here during the day and wanting to play outside and all that kind of stuff for a little while, so we'll see how warm it is.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Alright, you're gonna notice a couple things. One being my voice, one being the TV, and it's like 3 o'clock and I am just changing my baby's clothes. We have been off and on not feeling well since Sunday. I haven't really felt super great any of the time frame, but it's gone between better and worse between all of those days. Tomorrow we close on our house. It's been an exhausting week and it's gonna be even more exhausting, so I'm taking today to get relaxed and maybe feel better, making sure everyone's getting rest and medicine and sleep. Then you've got this baby who doesn't think that he needs anything except craziness. Are you craziness? He's been working on his rolling today, which I find crazy because he's not feeling well, but whatever, to each his own, I guess. Trying to convince Gabriel into letting me give him a diaper change now so I can put him, so I can help him fall asleep. Honestly, I would have put him for a nap earlier, but my head was pounding. And Azariah was sleeping in my arms, and since he is sick and the thing is, we're all sick, but he can't help himself get better. There's nothing I can give him to make sure he can breathe at night. So I want him to recover quickly and as well as I can, and I need to sacrifice my time and things for him. Gabriel does need a nap. He does very much need a nap. But he can take medicine in order to relieve his symptoms, help him breathe better, all of that kind of stuff, to the degree where I don't need to be constantly watching to make sure that he is breathing while he sleeps, whereas with this one I do. So it's been a little rough because unless he's like letting me put him down for a nap, and I'll only try and put him down for a nap if he has slept through a couple of naps already, then I just can't put Gabriel down. I mean, because he's chilling, there's probably like 6 things that I need to go and do, like have to go and do, so I'm gonna do those and let him chill out on his tummy. But yeah, that's where we're at. I sound like this. I just wanted to pop in and say thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed and are looking forward to all the DIYs, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell down below so you can get notifications for when more videos come out. And we'll see you next time. Love, Genevieve.